Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video we're going to talk about why experimental horror films. Well, generally they're very short films, and in today's market, short films, short horror films, experimental horror films, in short, are a big market. Also, that's very good for aspiring talent. Those who do not feel possibly that they can act, or simply starting out and acting. All you have to do is use your facial movements, body movements, along with your costuming and special effects. Here at Morbid Team Entertainment, as you can see, we use 8mm, 16mm, or Bolex, and giving it that eerie, creepy vintage look. So, for short films, experimental horror films, this is the way to go. It's a big market. They're fun to make, and you can do them in a short amount of time. Alright, so hope you've enjoyed this video for short films, experimental films, and for aspiring talent wanting to getting into experimental horror films. Alright, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.